In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Spotify Mobile Premium. If you want to stop your Spotify Premium subscription using your phone, the good news is that the process is fairly simple. The main thing to remember is that you'll need to do this through your phone's web browser and the Spotify account page, rather than inside the app itself. Taking it step by step will make the process quick and easy. Start by opening the browser on your phone and going to the Spotify account page. Once the page loads, sign into your account. Make sure you use the account that currently has the premium subscription attached to it, since Spotify can sometimes have multiple login methods, and you'll want to be in the correct account before making any changes. After you're logged in, look through the account page and scroll down until you find the subscription section. This area shows the details of your current plan. Here, tap on Manage Your Subscription, or in some cases you may see Manage Your Plan instead. Spotify's wording can vary slightly depending on your account type or region, but either option will take you to the same place where you can manage billing and plan settings. Once you're on the subscription management page, look for the option that says Cancel Subscription. If you don't see that exact wording, you may instead see Change Plan. If that happens, tap it and select Spotify Free. That option effectively removes your premium plan and returns your account to the free version after your current billing period ends. After selecting the cancellation option, tap Continue to Cancel. Spotify may show you a few screens along the way, sometimes reminding you about premium features or offering alternatives before you leave the plan. This is normal, so just keep following the prompts carefully until you reach the final confirmation screen. The most important part is to continue through each page until you clearly see confirmation that your subscription has been canceled. Don't stop halfway through, because the cancellation is only complete once Spotify shows the final confirmation screen. And that's it. Once confirmed, your premium plan will remain active until the end of your current billing cycle, and after that, your account will switch to Spotify Free. If this video helped you, thanks for watching.